Welcome to Wolfe Canmore, located in Canmore, Alberta. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2020 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss Z71 package truck, powered by the 5.3 liter V8 and mated up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Trail Boss, we do have the dial up top here for our transmission, then our push button 4x4 system, and then our lighting options: power windows, power locks, power mirrors. We do have the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, black Chevrolet Bowtie in the center there, push button ignition, 8-inch touchscreen for your OnStar navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We do have the dual climate control, heated leather seats, parking sensors, as well as our auto stop start. We do have our integrated trailer braking system there as well, dual glove boxes, locking bottom, and our black leather heated seats. Awesome. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss Silverado. You can see right away we do have those Wrangler DuraTrac off-road tires on a 17-inch wheel. We do have the tubular running boards underneath the crew cab truck, all black. We got the color matched door handles, mirror caps, keyless entry, remote start. Coming to the rear of the truck, dual chrome exhaust tips with the black bumper to match. We got the 2-inch receiver for your trailering, easy open and close tailgate here as well. We got the LED lights and a 120 volt outlet in the bed for working. Jumping back into the interior, leather 60/40 split. Both end seats there are car seat ready. We do have the in-seat storage as well as under-seat storage. Rubberized mats keeping the car nice and clean. We do have the sunroof up top, LED lighting, extra headroom, and the rear sliding window with defrost. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video, this beautiful Trail Boss Silverado. If this is your next Chevrolet product, come down and see us here at Wolfe Canmore, located in Canmore, Alberta.